Have you ever wondered what truly separates a boat that is merely fast from one that surges so far ahead it leaves everything else behind? The Outerlimits SV50 is engineered around uncompromising power and advanced offshore hull design, delivering a level of acceleration and control that few performance boats can rival. From the instant the throttles advance, the SV50 responds with precision and force, translating horsepower into forward momentum with striking authority. In this video, we break down the 5 reasons the SV50 stands above the competition, each revealing how this machine transforms open water into a proving ground for serious speed. Stay with us until the end, because the final reason highlights what truly makes this boat special. The Outerlimits SV50 commands attention on the water with its 50 feet 2 inches or 15.3 meters overall length, giving it the leverage to slice through offshore chop with sustained momentum. Its shallow draft of 1 foot 11 inches or 0.6 meters allows agile maneuvering in tighter waters while maintaining offshore capability. When equipped with twin Mercury Racing 1350 QC4V engines producing 1,350 horsepower each, the SV50 delivers a combined output of 2,700 horsepower, generating the thrust required for extreme offshore performance. Engine placement and stepped hull geometry work together to deliver rapid throttle response and directional precision, translating raw power into controlled acceleration. The 9-foot or 2.75-meter beam enhances stability at elevated speeds, supporting balance during aggressive turns while maintaining composure across uneven water. The Outerlimits SV50's hull design minimizes drag and optimizes lift, allowing it to track cleanly at high velocity. Every throttle input produces an immediate and measurable response, reinforcing why this model consistently operates at the top-tier performance offshore powerboats. Weighing 9,000 pounds or 4.08 metric tons, the Outerlimits SV50 carries the structural mass required to remain planted at extreme velocity while still delivering rapid acceleration. That weight is balanced across its Step V hull, minimizing porpoising and reducing instability when crossing offshore swells or intersecting wakes. Unlike lighter performance boats that can become unsettled in turbulent water, the SV50 maintains composure and directional authority. Twin Mercury Racing engines provide immediate torque response, translating throttle input into controlled forward thrust, while the hull channels water efficiently to sustain high-speed runs with reduced drag. Endurance is equally critical offshore, and the 250-gallon or 946-liter fuel capacity supports extended high-performance operation without frequent refueling stops. Paired with a hydrodynamic layout, this allows the Outerlimits SV50 to hold velocity over long distances rather than brief bursts. The integration of mass, torque delivery, and hull efficiency ensures the SV50 preserves momentum across open water, reinforcing why it consistently outpaces conventional speedboats in real-world conditions. The Outerlimits SV50 delivers extreme output, with twin Mercury Racing 1,350 QC4V stern drive engines, each producing 1,350 horsepower for combined 2,700 horsepower. Properly configured, the SV50 is capable of speeds approaching 130 miles per hour or 209 kilometers per hour, placing it firmly in the upper tier of offshore performance powerboats. Acceleration is immediate and forceful, with throttle inputs translating directly into forward thrust. The stepped hull design ensures that engine power is converted efficiently into lift and speed rather than wasted in excessive drag, reinforcing the boat's straight-line dominance. Beyond raw velocity, the SV50 maintains controlled handling at high speed. The hull geometry, beam width, and weight distribution work together to preserve balance during aggressive turns and rapid directional changes. Even in uneven offshore conditions, the Outerlimits SV50 remains composed, allowing pilots to maintain speed without sacrificing authority at the helm. This integration of propulsion, hull architecture, and stability defines why the SV50 consistently outperforms conventional speedboats in real-world offshore competition. The Outerlimits SV50 gains a measurable advantage through its advanced stepped V-hull architecture, engineered to reduce drag while increasing lift at high speed. Every contour along its 50 feet 2 inches or 15.3 meters length is shaped to manage airflow and water flow efficiently, allowing the boat to maintain velocity with optimized resistance. As water passes beneath the hull, the step configuration introduces controlled air pockets that reduce wetted surface area, improving acceleration and sustained top-end performance. Engine placement and hull geometry work together to convert horsepower directly into forward motion rather than excess spray or drag. Control systems are integrated to complement the hull's hydrodynamic efficiency, delivering precise steering response and stable tracking at elevated speeds. Acceleration, directional changes, and throttle transitions feel immediate because the structural design supports balanced weight distribution and predictable lift. The Outerlimits SV50 does not rely on raw power alone. It channels energy through intelligent hull engineering to maintain speed without compromising control. This integration of structure and propulsion reinforces why the SV50 consistently outperforms conventional offshore speedboats. When the Outerlimits SV50 pushes into its upper speed range, the acceleration is immediate and forceful, translating throttle input into rapid forward surge with minimal delay. Every steering correction produces a clear and direct response, reinforcing the connection between pilot and machine. The step hull geometry reduces drag and stabilizes lift, allowing the SV50 to glide through variable offshore conditions while maintaining strong forward drive. Even during extended high-speed runs, power delivery remains consistent and controlled rather than erratic. That sensation is supported by structural rigidity and balanced weight distribution, keeping the hull locked into its running surface during demanding stretches. Where other offshore boats begin to lose composure or taper performance over distance, the Outerlimits SV50 sustains momentum and authority across open water. For performance enthusiasts seeking a purpose-built high-speed platform, the experience reflects the engineering behind it, with a current market price of approximately $600,000 US. Truly, the Outerlimits SV50 is a powerboat making bold statements on the water. From its blistering speed to precise handling, it leaves ordinary speedboats struggling to keep up. Every feature ensures an unmatched thrill on every ride. Have you experienced the adrenaline of riding an SV50, or is this your dream boat? What other speedboats would you like us to feature next? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more high-performance powerboat features. And as always, smooth sailing.